지금 일주일 만에 럭비를 하러 갑니다. 저번 주에 유수비랑 이제 정민이, 헤일리, 피 해가지고 럭비를 또 다녀왔죠.
I will get the master degree.
Let's go master degree.
Let's go.
Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun.
Hey Alif. Hey. Hey. See you again. How are you, Alif?
I'm good. How about you? Recording?
I thought you were going back.
Oh, yeah.
When? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, oh, Saturday.
Saturday.
Yep.
Right.
Yo, how are you?
Good. Beginners or intermediate?
Okay, let's go immediately.
Intermediate. No, you go intermediate.
Ah.
You've got the ball handling right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. You are?
My name is Go.
Sorry?
Go.
Okay, you guys, I need you guys to warm up first. Because your things down. See you on the field.
Okay. See you on the field.
See you on the field.
갑시다.
I cannot see anything with this camera. But he said, please, recording.
Hey, Yeonsong, you can't see anything.
That's because we are too far each other.
나 나보고 움직이라고.
I'll go record you. Like a vlogger. Hey guys.
No matter how far the degree is,
Still black though. It's still dark.
depends on the ride.
Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Hyubin, and now I'm in the last day in Malaysia.
This is a give a one message for Yeonsong.
아빠, 한 달 동안 현구씨 해줘서 고맙고 공릉 가서도 내 현구씨 공릉 현구씨 해줘. 오빠 럭비 잘해. 안녕.
Hello, hello Yeonsong. If you see this, you probably are already in Korea. I cannot see you playing there, but yeah, don't forget about me like you'll be.
나는 얘가 오빠한테 메시지 남기는 걸 보고 너무 슬퍼서 눈물이 나버렸지 뭐야.
Why is she crying? It's okay, he'll be.
Okay. It's okay.
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
I'm too hot. I'm feeling. No, I think my face is so red.
Huh?
Am I red? My face, I think so.
Already.
Not really.
But you're sweating.
Sweating a lot.
Shit.
Reason why I brought the water. I already ate a lot.
효빈 씨, 물 먹어.
나 아무것도 안 했는데.
오빠.
참말이야?
Hmm?
Are you gonna post your vlog?
It'll upload it on my YouTube channel.
Ooh, let me support. What is it?
Oh, it's Korean. Do you have a Korean typing?
I don't have a Korean typing.
Oh.
But is there a way to do it? Oh my god, you okay? You're tired.
Oh, really?
Good exercise. Good exercise.
Yeah, good cardio.
So that means you're from Seoul, right?
So,
Eh.
yeah.
That's me. Ooh. Song. Is that your name?
Korean name.
Isn't it the same in English? No.
Sorry, Lane?
Your name in Korean is Yeon Song. So in English?
Oh, so same
Same, right?
English.
Okay. So what do I call you? Yeon Song Shi.
Yeonsong and also Yeon is fine.
Oh. Yeon, right? Yeon.
Yeon,
Yeon. Correct? Am I saying it right? Yeon.
quite well. That's good. Oh, by the way, your name?
Aina. Not yet. How old are you?
Guess what?
22?
Thank you. I'm 26 now.
26?
Huh?
Oh. You look younger. Yes.
How? You're 21 maybe?
No. 24.
24. Oh, you look very young.
Thank you. Come on.
Did you learn Korean before?
No, I watch K-drama a lot.
By Netflix?
Yes.
Oh, your favorite drama?
Right now or ever?
Oh, ever? How many dramas you seen before? A lot.
Yeah.
Oh,
My favorite is Strong Woman Do Bong Soon.
Do Bong Soon?
Yeah, Do Bong Soon.
Like this. 3, 2, 1. One more.
Okay. What is this? Like,
More.
what's in the one
3, 2, 1.
finger?
3, 2. Oh, sorry. 3, 2, 1. 할만해? 힘들다.
더워.
더워. 굉장히 땀이 안 나고 얼굴 터질 것 같아. 얼굴이 터질 것 같아.
와, 오빠 얼굴.
너 진짜 개빨개.
나 쉬어야 돼. 나 게임 못해. Let me see you guys. 이게 뭐야?
잘될 거야.
I just want to welcome to those yang baru join, especially to those yang daripada UM, kawan-kawan kepada. Also, we want to say thank you to the Korean friends.
Thank you.
Guys, yes sir. Hey guys, say hi. Okay, so guys, Miss Go and Yon and all. Diorang akan balik ke Korea on Saturday. They've been in Malaysia for 1 month. I hope you guys can make friends with them and vice versa. Itu je lah. And thank you guys for coming.
Thank you. Huh?
Where you guys study?
UniKL here.
Oh, you need to
Very recent student.
I see. So you guys been here like 1 month?
Yeah, it's our last week. We're going back to Korea this weekend.
So is this your first time trying?
No, we've been here last week.
I see.
Oh,
Take care of yourself. Alright.
thank you very much.
Hope you get back safe. Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Please don't stop playing.
Okay. Okay.
안녕.
안녕하세요.
저는 데니엘입니다.
Daniel.
Daniel.
You both Daniel?
저는 not Daniel.
What?
저는 Patricia. I don't know what that means.
Jordan is I am.
Okay, then you 는 Patricia.
One more.
럭비 끝.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, good. Okay, another 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool.
혹시 언제 가요, 빈 씨?
지금 가면 안 될까요? 아직 오늘
언제
스케줄이
가?
많아가지고 조금 힘든 상태인데요.
이따 스케줄 어떻게 되시죠?
저 오늘 라면 먹고 잘 예정이고요.
진짜 자시나요?
네?
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 네.
야, 잘한다 쟤.
잘하네.
I tu nampak you. Ini asal tiba-tiba you hilang.
영상 you recording?
Young is recording.
I always recording.
Your stories would be so good.
Young, how can you select your video?
How can we get your videos?
Can we?
Get my videos.
Oh, we have to buy your videos.
Young,
Share us.
I think you have too many videos, so you will struggling with which video you have to select.
Maybe I have almost 1 terabyte of video.
Okay.
That's Zarif.
자리프 GD보이. GD보이 자리프. 뭐해? 럭비하고 왔어.
나 선물 있어.
맞아 선물.
오, 땡.
준비 올 준비.
리카미.
안녕하세요. 선물? 뭔데?
네네. 근데 애교. 그
무슨 애교?
치즈버거.
You ready?
네. 여기.
오.
But read the letter at your hotel.
오 마이 갓. 레터. 땡. 오, 큐트.
Cute?
뭐야? 나 싫으면 나 카야 토스트네.
카야 토스트.
카야 토스트.
Do you want to change?
아, 웨이티브.
Yeah, I'll give you a durian for you. Thanks.
Thanks. Today, tomorrow, last day.
네. 오케이. 기대.
뭘 기대? 뭘 기대? 슬퍼 죽겠는데. 갈게.
네.
내일 봐. 바이바이. 바이바이. 사주가 참 빠르네요. 이 사주가 얼마나 짧은지 몰랐던 건 아니지만 마음속으로는 시간이 많이 남아있다고 생각을 하고 싶어서 조금 여유롭게 생활을 한 것 같아요. 사주라는 시간을 활용하면서 시간을 허투루 쓰려고 하지 않았을 거라 생각합니다. 다들 이게 돌아오지 않을 시간이라는 걸 알기 때문이겠죠. 근데 그 돌아오지 않을 시간이 겨우 4주밖에 되지 않는다라는 게 이제 마지막 주 그리고 마지막 주가 다 끝나가는 시점에서 더 다가오는 것 같아서 많이 아쉽고 많이 아쉬워요. 우리가 같이 보낸 시간이 살다가 한 번쯤 다시 떠오른다면 연락이나 한번 나눠봅시다. 알겠지? 땡큐.